The chapters of our lives may change, but one thing stays constant: the air we breathe. We spend nearly 90% of our lives indoors, breathing air recycled through our home's HVAC systems. Dust, allergens, and invisible pathogens constantly accumulate indoors, harming our health, causing illnesses, cognitive issues, and long-term risks. That's why we created the Aireshield. Aireshield's advanced plasma technology safely neutralizes airborne viruses, mold spores, and harmful byproducts, ensuring cleaner and healthier air. It's reusable, easy to maintain, and built to last for a decade without chemicals or consumables. Protect your family's health and make clean air a priority. Breathe safer, live healthier. Visit aireshield.com today to get yours.